Today I'm going to be making a Black Ops 2 zombie cover art here with Laserdym. So the idea I have right now is kind of just to make him a zombie and have the gun pointing at him like you're playing the game, and you see Laserdym there as a motherfucking zombie, and then we're going to have some, we're going to add some random shit, but yeah, that's basically the whole premise. That's the whole idea that I want to do. I was in bed last night, I was just like, yo, I need to make something like that. So yeah, I'm going to cut out the hand real quick, and we're going to place it at the bottom. And yeah, we're gonna have it like that. Okay, so we're gonna have it like this, and we're just gonna remove the hand from the background. So I'm gonna get the lasso tool, just cut random. AI fill, tell them remove that shit, and there we go. I'm gonna get rid of this too, just so we can add it in ourselves. Just remove again. Fucking zombies, fucking the zombie got cut off as well. Damn. Okay, excited for this cover, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not even gonna film. So we have this picture of Laserdym. I think this will work really fucking good. We're just gonna bring his foot back in here though, like it's a bit gone, just so it doesn't cut off in the picture and doesn't look weird. Hey, okay. So we're gonna have him like this. We're gonna like pull him over here where that zombie was. We'll blend it all in, don't worry about that shit. We'll blend it all in. Yeah, I actually think this is perfect, because so if you guys didn't watch my last video, make sure you guys do go ahead and check that out. It's all about shadows and shit. It's all about the brightest, so basically the brightest point of the image. You just want to create a shadow based on that. So this is going to be pointing this way. So we're going to be going to distort. We'll have him, just control U, go to lightness, bring that shit down, good filter, blur, Gaussian, soft light, fuck. So what I'm gonna do is get a gradient map, do a bit of color correction, real quick, overlay. I'm gonna turn him into a zombie too, don't worry. Don't worry about that. We're gonna grab this guy's head. We're gonna basically merge these guys together, right? So just grab his head, background, move the background, see if that does anything good. Horizontal, we're just gonna match it up. Obviously, you know, you wanna bring it up. I'm just gonna use his head as basically a texture. So like, it doesn't really matter what the fuck you do, like put like overlay or some shit. Hopefully it works. If not, well, GG's. I have another one here, which is a bit more high quality. So oh yeah, that works, okay. Just get this, just erase some parts. That shit, yeah, that's working right there. Yeah. Looks a little bit stupid, but fuck it, like, it doesn't really matter. Just get the zombie look. We'll even, like, get his hands black and white too. Have the smoke, have the light, like, prominent, and the chain and shit. Have those prominent. I think that'll look fire. That shit look fire. Dodge on the chain. And even on the flame too, we'll just do like boom. Put that to like probably overlay. And the dodge. Like highlights here. Some highlights, bit here. What is this? What is that? Okay. And then some shadows. Fuck, this is gonna be hard. There's even blue lighting coming down, so we'll add some of that too. So we're gonna have to like blur it in a bit like this, like make it a bit low res. So I'll finish this first, like the whole image. Like I want to get the shadows right. Just fully blend that shit in. You feel me? So we grab this, go to here, and what you can do is you can actually squish the brushes together and make this kind of like a foot shadow look. So if you were to get these 2 points and bring them in together, you can get this point, and you can like rotate it till it like fits where you want to put it, and then the other side. Now it's still not blended in. I think I just need to like just make it darker. So just normal brush. Maybe duplicate them. Like this shit's just problem solving. Not gonna lie. Like have them like this. Boom. Like that too. Soft light. Bring the fill down. Okay, bet. Okay. 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 Oh yeah. Oh yes, sir. I'm gonna get rid of the sky. I'm keeping like the main parts in, and then we'll duplicate the sky, and then we'll kind of like blend it in, like that. Yeah. Okay. Hey. Add some glows. Just color pick it. Just some glows around the place. So right now I'm just gonna merge it all together I want to go into my adjustment pack. Go to console.com to get your packs, and this could be us. Low res shit. Okay, I'm gonna grab this. Fuck it. I'll grab this one. So for the low res shit, what I do is I make a new document and I just make it low as fuck. So like I'll do 1080 by 1080 right now. You don't want to make it a smart object, because once it's a smart object it doesn't like lose any size or anything. So you just want to drag it in, like even make it smaller than the document. Like I'll make that shit small as fuck. Then we'll drag it back in and we will scale it up, even rotate it, because fuck it, why not? And you can see, boom, it's like low resolution as fuck, but like shit looks hard. Actually, you know what, fuck it, we'll do some crazy shit, the usual shit, the crazy usual shit. We'll go flip that bitch up, put that shit to like, I don't even know, lighter color. Oh yeah. Oh shit, that look, you know what that looks like? It looks like, oh, hold on now. You know when it goes like red when you start bleeding and shit? Like see this shit where it's like red all around. Oh, if I can get that shit, do something like that, put that to overlay. Even bring the darkness on them bitches down. Then we do like a normal soft red brush around, and I'm gonna do a black and white. Black and white. Oh, that stuff. Nah, but we're gonna do black and white like that under everything, just to give it like some other kind of look. Boom. I'm gonna grab a solid color. We're gonna put that to gray. Filter noise. Add noise. Do that to like 18. Even though it's pre-pixelated, like you don't really need noise, but like it just adds that big. Here we go. Is that 3? That's a Black Ops 1. Here, get rid of all that. And get rid of all that. We're in Groom Lake, that is not true. Even drop some smoke here. It's a bit late, I completely forgot, but fuck it. Drop a bit of smoke in. I don't know how I feel about the overlay, I'm not gonna lie. What do you guys think about the overlay? I don't know what I think about it. I don't know how. Okay. We'll bring the vibrance down just a bit. We'll do some other adjustments here, just to kind of neutralize it a little bit more. Okay, so we're gonna merge every single little bit of this into one. We're gonna do the same thing we did before, just drag it in here. Okay, now we could stretch res it like this, and boom.